Ever dreamt of owning those coveted designer kicks or that statement handbag without the designer price tag? Let's dive into how Pandabuy can make that a reality, guiding you through every step of the Replica shopping journey. First things first. You'll need to create an account. Head over to the Pandabuy website and click on the Sign Up option. You'll typically need to provide an email address and create a password. It's a straightforward process designed to get you browsing in no time. Once logged in, the real fun begins. Product searching. Pandabuy acts as an agent, meaning you'll be searching for items on platforms like Taobao. Rather than directly on Pandabuy, think of the Pandabuy search bar as your gateway. You can directly paste links to products you've found elsewhere. Or you can use their integrated search function. Type in exactly what you're looking for. Be specific. Use keywords like designer, brand name, followed by the item type, like shirt, sneakers, or handbag. Found something you love? Great! Click on the product here. You'll see important details like the seller's rating, customer reviews with photos, and available sizes or colors. Take your time to examine these. They are crucial for making a good purchase. Once you're satisfied, hit that Add to Cart button. You can continue browsing and adding more items to your virtual cart. When you're ready to check out, navigate to your cart. You'll see a summary of all the items you've selected. This is where you'll choose your shipping method. Pandabuy offers a variety of shipping lines, each with different speeds and costs. For instance, options like EMS or a packet are common choices. Review the estimated delivery times and prices to pick the best fit for you. Proceed to payment. Pandabuy accepts various payment methods, usually including credit cards and PayPal. After your payment is confirmed, your order will be processed by the seller, and the item will be shipped to Pandabuy's warehouse once it arrives. Pandabuy will prepare it for international shipping, and you'll receive a tracking number. This number allows you to monitor your package's journey right to your doorstep. With these steps, you're well on your way to acquiring those stylish pieces you've been eyeing. Happy shopping!